world, welcome to DCodeMania. I am Sahil and you are watching 8th video of the project User Management System with Admin Panel. In previous video you have seen that how I have created the reset password form and also make the form functional. Now today in this video I am going to design the navigation bar of home page and other pages like profile, feedback, notification. Okay, so let's start. So open your project. Now before going to design the navigation bar, first I will fetch all the details of the current logged in user in variables in session.php file. Okay, so open your session.php file and here you can see I am using here the session variable to grab the current logged in email. Okay, so using this email I am fetching all the details of the user using this current user method that is defined in auth.php file. Here you can see current user and here I am selecting all the column from users table where email equal to current email. Okay, and deleted not equal to 0, it means user should not be deleted. Okay, so come to session.php and here I will use variables like cid means current id. Okay, so using data variable I will use here the column name id. Okay, now the id will be stored in this cid variable. Like this I will use c name and using data I will use name here to store the name of the current logged in user, and similarly I will use cpass for the password. So data and here write password. Okay, now cphone data phone. Okay, now cgender equal to data and here just write the column name gender. Okay, now here I will use cdob equal to data and here dob and cphoto data photo. Okay, and here I will use created variable and here just use data created underscore at. Okay, I will fetch all the columns from the users table. Okay, and here I will use verified equal to data and the column name verified. Okay, and okay, now if we save this and go to home.php file, now here you can see in home.php file there is already included this session.php file. So if I go here and try to log in with this email ID, then here you can see the array, all the details in array. Okay, so now if I want to display any specific column like only name, so for this we can only use echo cname variable. Okay, now if we go here and refresh, then here you can see only name is displaying. Okay, now if we want to display the email, then we can just type echo and see email. So if we go here, then we can see the email ID here. So we will use these variables that we have just created in session.php file in home.php file. Okay, so just remove this. Now also just remove this logout link. Okay, and here just keep this line. Now to design the navigation bar, first what I will do is I will use the same thing of index.php file. So just copy the same thing, from body and come to home.php, paste. Okay, close body, close html. Okay, now what I will do next is I will just here in title I will grab the title dynamically. Okay, so to grab the title dynamically, what we have to do is just write here base name, sorry, just write php tag, and here just I'm using shorthand php tag, and here I'm using base name function, and then server, and here I will use php self, and here what I will do is I will remove .php extension, so here just write php. Okay, now if you save this and go to the home, then you can see the home in here. Okay, but I want to make the H letter capital, so for this what I will do is just cut this, and use UC first function and paste this here. Now if we save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see the H is now capital. Okay, and here I will concatenate DCodeMania. Okay, DCodeMania. If we save this and go to the browser, then here we are displaying home, then pipe DCodeMania. Okay, now let's remove this link here, sorry, just remove this style.css link, and here I will use style tag, and here just go to CSS and style, just copy this import, sorry, just copy this import, come to home.php file and paste here. Okay, now here what I will do is I will use all selector, and here I will use font family, sorry, font family Maven Pro, sorry, Maven Pro, Pro, and here I will use sans serif. Save this. Now in body tag what I will do is just come here and I will create a navigation bar. Okay, so let's come to here and open w3schools.com and click on learn Bootstrap. Now click on learn Bootstrap 4. Now here click on BS4 Navbar and go below. Okay, so I will use this, so just copy and paste here. Okay, select HTML and reformat the code. Okay, now what I will do here is in brand name I will just change to DCodeMania. Okay, DCodeMania, and before here I will just use a font awesome icon, so here I will use I tag, and here I will use FA code, sorry, FA code and FALG. Okay, save, and here I will give some space, so here I will use NBSP and NBSP 2 times. Now save. If we go to the browser and refresh here, then we can see this navigation bar. Just make this, so our icon is not displaying because we have not included the CDN link of font awesome library. So just come to index.php file and go below. This is the font awesome library. Just copy and come to home.php. Now here just paste. Okay, save. Now if you go here and refresh, then here you can see the icon. Okay, now here what I will do is in href I will write index.php. okay, so whenever someone click on this DCodeMania link, then it will redirect it to home.php. Now make this navbar. Now what I will do is this navbar here, just use ml auto to make the links to the right side. Okay, now here I will just use home and here just profile, feedback and one more feedback, and here notification. Okay, and I will also make a drop down. Okay, so for this I will use li with class nav item, and here I will use drop down class. And now inside this, here I will use a anchor tag, and in class I will use nav link and drop down toggle, and in href I will just use this hash, and here I will use id navbar drop. Okay, navbar drop, and here I will use data hyphen toggle equal to drop down. Okay, and here inside this anchor tag I will display the name. Okay, name. And when we so first let me display some icon. Okay, so here I will use I and fas user cog, and just keep some space, and here I will write hi and a space php shorthand tag, and here I will display the name. Okay, so if we save this and go to the browser and refresh, okay, so we have some error, undefined variable name. Okay, so there is no name, there is cname. Okay, now if we, so now here you can see hi Sahil Kumar, and now let's define the drop down menu. Okay, so here I will use div dot class drop down menu, and here I will use anchor tag, and in href I will use hash. Just remove this title, give it a class, and here drop down item. Okay, drop down item, and here I will use I class, I tag, fas cog, and here I will use nbsp, and here just write setting. Okay, and I will create one more, so just copy the same thing, and here I will just write fa sign out alt. Okay, sign out alt, and here I will just write logout. Okay, if we save this and go to the browser and refresh. Now if I just, okay, so this is not working because we have to include the bootstrap bundle.min.js and jQuery library. So just copy from index.php file and come to home.php file and just paste here. Okay, now if we save this and go to the browser and refresh, now if we just click here, then we are getting setting and logout. Okay, so now come here and in logout, in href attribute, I will here use this logout.php file. So this file is inside php folder and php folder is inside asset folder. So here we have to write assets slash php slash logout.php. okay, sorry, php. Now if we save this and go to here, refresh, now let's try to log out. So we are log out from home.php. Now if we sign in again, then here you can see this is working. Now let's come here and I will also use, sorry, I will also give some icon to home, profile, feedback and notification. So for home I will use I class, oh sorry, I tag, and here I will use fas and fa home. Okay, and here I will use nbsp. Okay, now just copy the same thing and paste here also in profile. Just change this class to okay, so here I will write fa user circle. Now in feedback also just paste and just change this fa feedback. So here I will write fa comment dots. Okay, now in notification I will just use fa bill. Okay, fa bill. If we save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see the notification, sorry, the icons on the links, navigation links. Okay, now what I will do next is I will use dynamic way to make the current page active. Okay, so for this, here in home nav in class I will use here php shorthand tag. Okay, sorry, php shorthand tag, and here I will use ternary operator. Okay, so here what I will do is I will use this base name function, and inside this base name I will use server and php self, and here I will check if this is equal to home.php. okay, so here I'm writing home.php, sorry, php. Then I will just display here active class, and if this is not home.php, then here just I am displaying empty class. Okay, now just save. Now if we save this, and one thing more, here in href attribute we have to keep the home.php file. Save and go to the browser. Now here you can see this home page is automatically active. Okay, so similarly we will do for all the navigation links. So just copy this and paste here also. Just change this to home to profile.php, and here also in href sorry, just write profile.php. okay, similarly in feedback just paste and change this to feedback.php. okay, and just copy and paste here also in href attribute. okay, now similarly in notification just copy this and paste here. Change this feedback to notification.php, and here in href just write notification.php. okay, now if we save this, now go to the browser and click on profile. So this profile.php file is not created yet, so just go back, and now I will create another pages inside the root directory. okay, so here first I will create home.php file is already created. Now I will create profile.php page. So here I will use profile.php and sorry, now I will create feedback.php. okay, now notification.php. okay, so all the files are created. Now come to home.php, and here I will just after the nav, here I will display some text like in h1. here I will use php and php shorthand tag, and here I will use base name function, and here I will use server php self. okay, save this and go here, then it is showing home.php. okay, now what I will do is I will just create a header.php file, and I will use that header.php file in all the pages. okay, so we do not need to write this navigation coding in all the pages. okay, so let's create a header.php file inside this php folder. okay, so just create a new file header.php, and now what I will do is just go to home.php and select this and select up to here, up to nav. okay, just cut. okay, just cut it from here and go to where is the header, so open header.php file and just paste here. okay, paste it here, just select php. Now what I will do is in home.php file, here I will include the header.php file. okay, so just use require once and just use header. sorry, so here what I will do is, so we are in home.php file, and to access this header.php file we have to write assets and /php, then header.php file. okay, and if we save and go to the home.php and refresh, then still we are displaying this page. Now what I will do next is just copy this home.php page coding and paste in all the pages like profile page. okay, just select php, and in feedback page also just paste this, select php here also, sorry, php. okay, now go to notification, paste here also, and okay. Now if you save this and go to the browser, refresh. Now if you click on profile, then here you can see we are on profile.php page, and here the profile.php page is showing dynamically, and here you can see the profile link is active. Now if you click on feedback, then we are on feedback.php page, and here also the feedback get active. And if we click on notification, then we are on notification.php, and here also in title you can see the title is changing dynamically. Okay, and feedback, so here you can see feedback, okay, profile and home. Okay, and here you can see the name is display, here name is displaying full. Okay, so here I want to display the first name only. So for this what we have to do is just come here and just remove this file, and just remove. Now come to this session.php file, and here what I will do is I will create another variable app name for extracting first name from the full name. So here I will use app name variable, and here I will use strtok function. Okay, strtok function, and here I will use cname variable. Okay, and just use this empty string with a space. Okay, now if we go here in home.php file, sorry, header.php file. So now here we have to access app name. Okay, now if we go here and refresh, then here you can see only first name is displaying here. Okay, so our navigation bar is created. Now in next videos I will work on home.php first, home.php page first, then after I will go further like feedback, then notification. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to design home.php page. So thanks for watching. Please like, share this video, and also subscribe this channel.